I request all of you to please give standing ovation for our chief guest once again. Round of applause, please. Bringing him here. And now it's time for vote of thanks by Professor Satyaprakash sir from MBA.
Dr. Prasad Raj Garu, Principal JNTU Kakinada, our Laipur and Elder Brother College, Sri Vasavi Engineering College Chairperson, Sri Satyanarayan Garu, our own Chairman, Cherikuwadu Sri Ranganath Raj Garu, our Vice Chairman, Sri Sai Baba Prasad Garu, and our beloved Principal, Dr. G.V. Raj Garu, and my dear colleagues and student friends. Today, with the messages we have received, starting from our principal, who was stressing more on patents than on placements, and our chairman stressing more for your presence in this college to develop, and then our guest of honor mentioning about your prosperity through your 4 years presence here to enjoy your life for next 40 years. And our chief guest mentioned about raising to the highest level, like engineers who are celebrating Engineers Day, Mokshakundam Visvesvaraya Garu, who is a civil engineer, but still is an engineer, and the day of his birthday is celebrated as Engineers Day. We also celebrated some time back, and you should have gratitude to your parents and your teachers. So these are the messages that we have received, and we have to do so much from scratch. Yesterday, Dr. Rajagaru, G.V. Rajagaru, myself, we went to Bhimavaram College, where our chief guest, Prasad Raj, was also there, as chief guest there. And we have seen innovations which we can never think of. Dr. Prasad Raj incidentally was mentioning about dreams, dream big. And similarly, there one student, a second year ECE student, he invented one sensor by which if you sleep, dreams can be mapped, for which he got a patent from HP, international patent. And similarly, you go to shops to buy dresses and you test it, whether it fits you or not. But there he has invented one of the machines through computer and webcam that you can have virtual dressing. Choose a dress from Amazon and test it, and if you feel it fits you, you can order. For that also he got one international patent, and from HP and Amazon he gets 1.5 lakhs, 3 lakhs during second year of BTech. He's still continuing studies. So this is what you students have to do for raising the level and bring the name to your parents as well as this institute where you have studied. So with these messages, I now thank Dr. Prasad Rajagaru, our chief guest, who has taken time out, is very busy man. Yesterday he was there at Bhimavaram, today he is here, and he has given you valuable message to be gratitude to your parents. For the sake of your parents, at least you have to come here regularly, and JNTU has already given some exemption, 100% Ravali, but still you have some works, you have some problems. they have exempted you 25%, 75% is compulsory. You have to come for your sake. Then, Grandi Sachinanda Garu, he is executive committee member of management private engineering colleges management association. He has been with us and he is there to guide you like he has guided Sri Vasavi to the top in this Lalipilligudam. He has given side to NIT Varangal also, and they are there with him, their neighbors, so that he can get the best out of education for his students. And he will be with us since he is a brother of our Vice Chairman, Sir Grandi Saiba Varaprasad Garu, who is sitting calmly but he is blessing us. He is with us, he cooperates maximum. I thank Grandi Sachinanda Garu also for having come here, sir, and bless the students. And our chairman, of course, he is always there. He gives boons, minimum you pay or sometimes not pay, but he will be granting and he wants you to come up in life. That is his only goal. You utilize the facilities, utilize the faculty, experienced faculty and come up in life. That is his only motto and interest. With that, you should take maximum advantage of. And he is there always. Our Vice Chairman, as I mentioned, Gandhi Saiba Varaprasad Garu, he will be there and he will be providing all the kind of facilities to us. About Dr. G.V. Raju Garu, Principal Garu, as Dr. Prasad Raju mentioned, he has brought in the change the last 1 year and you will see so many changes. And I already mentioned about incubation center. Hope if you innovate, you will be able to succeed through our innovation centers here. And I thank all of them, Dr. Raji Garu, Gandhi Sai Prasad Garu, Saiba Varaprasad Garu, and our management for doing a lot for our institute. And similarly, I thank the organizers, especially my colleagues, Shekhar Raj Garu, Dr. Anand Kumar Garu, who have struggled day and night for having made these arrangements, and the convener, Dr. Rambabu, and the co-convener, Hassan Saab. All these people, they have done a lot, and of course, my other colleagues also are there, and staff of this college. Apart from you students, we have come to participate from different colleges, not only from this college, different colleges have come, they are participating, and you should always participate. Forget about winning. Somebody may win now, next time you will be winning, even though you don't get the opportunity now. So actually it should be the attitude of win-win situation. You should learn from participation. So this is how you have to proceed in life, and hope this function will give you a message for today and tomorrow and afterwards.
For such a commendable words and also for narrating the role of engineer with a fair examples. Now it's time to wrap up the session, and we are very happy for the participation of all you guys, and we are expecting the same in the next day too. Thank you so much. This is Sukanya Verma signing off.
చేతిరా
సెక్యూరిటీ ఎలా ప్రొవైడ్ చేసామంటే బయోమెట్రిక్ కంట్రోల్ యూస్ చేస్తాం. ఇప్పుడు ఎవరైనా అన్ఆథరైజ్డ్ పర్సన్ ఇది స్టార్ట్ చేసేస్తాం. సో ఇప్పుడు ప్రివిలేజెస్ యూజర్స్ మాత్రమే బైక్ని స్టార్ట్ చేయగలుగుతాం. సో ఈ బైక్ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలంటే ఫస్ట్ పర్మిట్ పెట్టుకొని ఆ ప్రివిలేజెస్ యూజర్ ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు మాత్రం బైక్ స్టార్ట్ చేయగలుగుతాం. సో ఒకసారి
అటు చూడు అటే చూడు రైట్ సార్
Warm welcome to all respected dignitaries, heads of the department, faculty members and you my dear students. I deem it an honor to extend a warm welcome to all of you on this August occasion, Visit Utsav 2K17. I am Sukanya Verma, pursuing final year civil.
Today, I am very proud and honored to stand among some of the special people like our guest of honor, Sir D. Somsundar Garu, and Chief Guest, Dr. KVS G. Murli Krishna Garu, and this is DS1 from 2nd BTech.
We are marching ahead towards the end of the Visit Utsav 2K17. Visit Utsav gave us a great exposure and to bring our hidden talents.
Almighty also extended His blessing